nice little evening blast. I'm going to do a little comparison video actually between the Tuono factory V4 1100 2022/21 model, I think it's the same, and the 21/22 MT09 SP that I had. Talk about some of the differences really, and well, the similarities. I'd say the MT09 is probably more playful. Stretch of private road. I mean, this loves to play it'll lock third, fourth gear wheelies with ease. But the MT09 sort of does it without even really thinking about it or trying. You know, you're just cruising along, and the next thing you know, you're going through the gears on the back wheel. He's all grown up in that respect. Both very, very capable. I'd say the MT09 feels lighter, easier to chuck about. This laps up real high speed sweepers, whereas the MT09, when the speeds sort of go up, starts to feel a little bit skittish. Not bad or anything like that, you know, it's still bad to the fun. It's not like chassis flex or anything like that, but it's just I'll get away from the shorter wheelbase on the MT. But it's got an exhaust valve, so you kind of get the best of both worlds really. Like right now it's very civilised, you poodle through these little villages without upsetting anyone, you know, without any angry looks. The moment you get over £5,000, comes to life, and it sounds, you know, you don't really need a split one. Mid to top than the MT09. The MT09 in standard trim sort of signs off at sort of around sort of 9.5, 10, sort of feel the power start to drop off. Yeah. Right, let's see if we can get the draggy working. We'll try it in my user mode with no wheelie control. Let's see how we get on. Probably not great. electronics holding it back massively. It's a little tip for all those people that actually have a draggy. You don't actually need it mounted to the bike. I got mine in my backpack, it works just fine. I've seen a few videos where people are trying to tape it to the bike and all sorts. You don't need to. Just would not give me the power in sport mode. The anti-wheelie and the traction, it felt like it had lost 100 horsepower. So look what the times actually were. Don't think they're going to be very good. So we got 3.7, so that's not too bad. I did 3.1 on the MT. How do we look at the other ones then? No, was there not? How did we do it? So me, history, 0 to 62 runs. 3.3. As I said, the first one. Are we still recording? Yeah, the first one that I did, where it was all me. And that's the first time I've ever launched this bike as well. It was 3.3, so that's not bad. I mean, I reckon I could get it. I'm not going to sit here and try it, but I reckon I could get it in the 2s if I put my mind to it. Yeah, look, 2012, yeah. 2014, yeah, so the first one was quicker. Private stretch. Let's try the old 0 to 60. Cover the back brake. It kind of retains a lot of what makes the MT09 so much fun, like, you know, that raw loft the front wheel power, and then it also builds upon some of the other areas, like, you know, it's a bit better at speed, it's got longer gearing, got a bit more wind protection obviously with this sort of semi-fared. It sort of reminds me of an SV1000 a little bit. And the SV650, I had both of those bikes. I had a SV1000 years ago. Sort of reminds me of that a little bit, obviously a lot more powerful. I'd say they're pretty comparable in terms of electronics. Someone's going to mention reliability. Yeah, it's the MT09, I would imagine it'd be more reliable, but you know, I've read a lot of good things about these and so far so good, you know. The Italians know what they're doing. So one area where this does sort of shine above and beyond something like an MT09 is that front end feel. You've just got more connection to the front tyre, you need more weight over the front. And I think it's just the riding position.